मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। आज कुछ नए रिएक्शन के साथ आपके सामने हूँ। व्हाट इज द रिएक्शन? सो बिफोर वी गो टू डिस्कस द रिएक्शन, आई वुड लाइक टू से important definition also, and I would like to bring some information also. What is that? Before we are going to discuss the SN1 reaction, आपको सबसे पहले इसके मीनिंग बता दूं. It means the name itself having the meaning. I am saying once again, we are going to discuss an important name reaction, that is SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction. The name itself having the meaning. मैं आपको बता रहा हूं SN1 की मीनिंग क्या है. Why we are telling in shortcut like SN1. आपको एक बात याद रखना पड़ेगी. It means the name itself having the meaning, that is S stands for substitution, N stands for nucleophilic, and 1 stands for unimolecular reaction. I am saying unimolecular reaction. It means substitution, nucleophilic, unimolecular reaction. मैं आपको बोर्ड पे भी रखा हूं. It means substitution, nucleophilic, unimolecular reaction. The name itself has the meaning. Before we go to discuss the important information about the SN1 reaction, क्यों यहाँ पर 1 रखा गया? It means why on the top of N, why we kept 1? What is the meaning of that 1? ये सब हमें माइंड में रखना पड़ेगा. Let's see one by one. See, I am telling you why 1 is kept on N. It means in this reaction हमारे सामने unimolecular है. Before I go to explain the unimolecular, आपको एक छोटा इंफॉर्मेशन बता दूं, छोटा एग्जांपल बता दूं, then we go detailed information about SN1 reaction. What is that simple information means? Substitution. The meaning itself having the name itself having the meaning. It means what is meaning of substitution means we are going to substitute. It means आपको एक एग्जांपल बता दूं. अगर से एक गेम में कोई प्लेयर को फ्रैक्चर हो गया तो उस टाइम में he can't able to play continuous game. That's why extra player उसके प्लेस में आके गेम खेल सकता है. It means the captain have to substitute the player who is having the fracture जिसको हुआ है उसके प्लेस में दूसरे प्लेयर को कैप्टन उसके प्लेस को यूज कर सकता है. It means दूसरे प्लेयर का उसका इस्तेमाल होता है. That is the meaning of that substitution. It means we are going to substitute in a reaction with the help of another molecule. हम एक molecule को यूज करते हुए दूसरे molecule को substitute कर सकते हैं. That is the meaning of the substitution. Whereas coming to nucleophilic ये वो होता है. It means one of the nucleophile. Nucleophile की meaning क्या है? तो it always consists negative charge. Nucleophile example for nucleophile is OH minus along with that water molecule, along with that methoxy group, etc. हमारे सामने nucleophile बहुत से हैं. Out of that मैं आपको एग्जांपल भी रखा हूँ. OH minus, H2O and as well as OMe. It means methoxy. These are the examples stand for nucleophile. Coming to unimolecular, it means this type of reactions depend on only one molecule to complete its reaction, simply known as uni. Meaning of uni means this type of reaction depend on only one molecule to complete the whole reaction. Reaction आप जानते हैं क्या हो सकता है, उसके मीनिंग. मैं ये रिएक्शन के बारे में डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन आपके सामने रखने से पहले I would like to bring a small information also, small example also. What is that example means? अगर हम हमारे घर में, it means in our at home, if the children depend on only one parent, it means अगर हम फादर के ऊपर डिपेंड हुए, simply known as we are depending on one person at home. यहाँ भी क्या होता है? In SN1 reaction, like the same way in SN1 reaction, to complete the reaction, we use more than one reactants. It means if a reaction depend on only one person, अगर जो भी चिल्ड्रन घर में रहते हैं वो अपने बाप पे डिपेंड हो, ना के मदर पे, सिर्फ only if the person depend on his parents फादर पे या मदर पे डिपेंड हुआ हो, सिंपली नोन एज he depend on one person only. Like the same way, in SN1 reaction, it depends on only one molecule. It depends on only one molecule. That's why this type of substitution nucleophilic reaction are simply known as unimolecular reaction. I am telling you once again, unimolecular reaction. अब हमें यहाँ वन बाय वन इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन देखेंगे. What are those important reactions and what is the main basic terms that consists SN1 reaction. आज की जो टॉपिक है SN1 reaction आपके सामने आने वाला है और बहुत इजी वे में आपको बताऊंगा. I will tell you an easy method and as well as trick also how to we memorize for a long time this SN1 reaction. What is the trick means you have to remember what is the trick. It means in SN1 reaction we are going to prepare 3 degree butyl alcohol. 3 degree butyl alcohol. 3 degree butyl alcohol. This is we are going to prepare an SN1 reaction. What is that product means? 3 degree butyl alcohol. We can say 3 degree to हम we can also call it as tertiary. I am telling you what is the meaning of this 3 degree means tertiary. Tertiary nothing but if a carbon is surrounded the same alkyl group, simply known as tertiary. It means if a carbon is attached with same alkyl group is known as what? Is known as what? Tertiary. I am telling you 3 degree. It means tertiary. If a carbon, I am telling you, if a carbon is attached same alkyl group, I am telling you same alkyl group, simply known as tertiary. So coming to trick. Trick क्या है? यहाँ पर SN1 reaction में we are going to prepare 3 degree butyl alcohol. I am telling you 3 degree butyl alcohol. How we are going to prepare this 3 degree butyl alcohol means by using 3 degree butyl halide. Remember this, very important. Once if we remember this trick, it means in SN1 reaction we are going to prepare 3 degree butyl alcohol. आपको ये याद रखना पड़ेगा because ये ट्रिक एक ऐसा है जो हमारे SN1 रिएक्शन को इजी से याद रख सकते हैं. मींस वी आर गोइंग टू इजीली मेमोराइज एनीवे, चाहे वो जितना भी टेंशन में हो, डेफिनेटली वी विल मेमोराइज. इट मींस वी आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर दैट इज 3 degree butyl alcohol. Simply how we are getting this 3 degree butyl alcohol means by using 3 degree butyl halide. By using this 3 degree butyl halide we are going to prepare that is 3 degree butyl alcohol. Very important. Don't forget this trick. Next, what we are going to how we are going to prepare this 3 degree butyl alcohol and what are the conditions? See, 3 degree butyl halide I am using in the place of halide nothing but I am using Br. This is the 3 degree butyl bromide. Simply this name is known as, this molecule is simply known as 3 degree butyl bromide. When 3 degree butyl bromide is reacted with nucleophile, मैं पहले भी आपको बोल के वो nucleophile having negative part, nothing but negative charge on its molecule. कभी भी nucleophile always having negative charge, nothing but if a molecule having negative charge, it ready to attract with positive charge. ये बैठ में रखना पड़ेगा आपको. This is the 3 degree butyl bromide is react with hydroxide ion. Simply when it react with hydroxide ion, when it react with 3 degree butyl bromide react with hydroxide, it forms 3 degree butyl alcohol. How we get this 3 degree butyl alcohol means Let's see. With the elimination of bromide, so this is the bromide and this is the 3-degree butyl alcohol. So this is a simple reaction. Just you have to remember when 3-degree butyl bromide, 3-degree butyl bromide is react with hydroxide, it forms 3-degree butyl alcohol with the elimination of bromide. आपको एक याद रखना पड़ेगा when nucleophile is going to react with this molecule that is 3-degree butyl bromide, it ready to wants bind with this carbon. So यहाँ पर आपको एक छोटा इंफॉर्मेशन याद रखना पड़ेगा which is very helpful for you. This type of reaction directly not produce this type of 3-degree butyl alcohol. यहाँ पर छोटा इंफॉर्मेशन मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ which is very helpful आपको हो सकता है. 3-degree butyl alcohol हम यहाँ डायरेक्ट प्रिपेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं because क्यों हम why we are not going to prepare this 3-degree butyl alcohol directly means this type of reaction mainly undergo like two steps. If you want to prepare this 3-degree butyl alcohol, we have to wait some time. It means why we have to wait some time is let's see how we are going to prepare this 3-degree butyl alcohol is this type of SN1 reaction are mainly undergo a 2-step process. आपको ये याद रखना पड़ेगा it undergoes into 2 steps. Very important है. Before we getting this 3-degree butyl alcohol, ये SN1 reaction क्या होगा बोले तो it undergoes in a 2 steps. Why it undergoes in a 2 steps? Why it delay to produce this 3-degree butyl alcohol is one by one आपको समझ में आ जाएगा when we see next process. Take a shot. आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Take a screenshot. Then next, मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ this type of reaction undergo in a 2 step. First step क्या है देखेंगे. Step 1. Step 1 is slow and reversible. Why step 1 is slow and reversible? Let's see. When tertiary butyl bromide, I am saying when tertiary butyl bromide. Why step 1 is slow means and also reversible? क्यों स्टेप 1 स्लो और रिवर्सिबल है आपको पता चल जाएगा. Then this is the tertiary butyl bromide. I am saying this is the 3-degree butyl bromide. क्या होगा यहाँ पर 3-degree butyl bromide क्यों स्लो है? क्यों स्लो है? क्यों स्लो है? This is the very important. I am telling you. Step 1 is slow. Why this step 1 is slow means the bond. I am telling you the bond between carbon as well as Br, the bond which is present in C as well as Br, ये bond break होने के लिए it takes more time. The bond which is present in between C as well as Br, if you want to break that bond, it takes more energy and also more time. That's why ये bond break होने के लिए time excess होता रहने की वजह से simply known as it takes some time. That's why this type of SN1 reaction क्या होगा यहाँ slow हो सकता है. Why this SN1 reaction step 1 is slow means the bond between carbon as well as Br, the bond which is present in between carbon as well as Br, if you want to break that bond, ये bond break होने के लिए it takes more time. That's why this type of reaction is slow. Forming of this molecule, ये molecule को हम क्या बोलते हैं? This type of molecule simply known as carbon consists positive charge known as carbocation. This molecule is simply known as carbocation. It means carbon having positive charge. अब आपको पता होगा कि ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक होने के टाइम में C and Br के बिटवीन में जो बॉन्ड है, it takes more time to break that bond. That's why reaction क्या है? Slow है. And one more thing, when we combine these two, it means carbocation and as well as bromide. When we combine with these two molecules, again we get 3-degree butyl bromide. Again we are going to get this 3-degree butyl bromide. That's why I am using reversible arrow. It means ये bond break होने के बाद क्या getting carbocation. In case हम ये दोनों को mix कर दिए, again what we get? 3-degree butyl bromide. Important है. That's why this step 1 is slow and as well as reversible. Then next step 2. Step 2 क्या हो सकता है? Step 2 is fast. Because step 1 is slow, then step 2 is fast. Fast as well as when SN1 step 1 is slow as well as reversible है, then हो सकता है step 2 slow का opposite fast है, reversible का opposite क्या हो सकता है? It means irreversible. How? Why step 2 fast and as well as irreversible means after getting this carbocation, this is the carbocation. When carbocation is ready to react with the negative part of a molecule, it means it consists positive charge. When positive charge molecule is ready to, it means it is waiting for a negative part of a molecule. It is ready to react with the nucleophile. This carbocation, यहाँ का जो molecule हमें step 1 में हासिल हुआ है, इसको हमें यहाँ यूज करते हैं. The carbocation is ready to react with the nucleophile, simply known as hydroxide. When it react with OH, carbocation, when it react with hydroxide, simply we get 3-degree butyl alcohol. I am telling you, when carbocation in step 2 is react with OH minus, simply we get 3-degree butyl alcohol. 3-degree butyl alcohol. This is the single step. It means arrow एक ही है. Don't confuse. In step 1 we use reversible arrows, whereas in step 2 we use single arrow. It means this type of step 2 reaction doesn't get back the same product. It means it is irreversible. I am telling you, it is irreversible and also fast. Fast क्यों है? Irreversible क्यों है? आपको समझना होगा. And also and one more thing, step 1 slow क्यों है? And also reversible क्यों है? So next आपको ये भी याद रखना पड़ेगा. What type of solvents that we are used in SN1 reaction? मैं आपको सबसे पहले आप ये काम करें, देखिए स्क्रीनशॉट. The students, test yourself questions. This is for you. Complete it before आपको इस क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट करने से पहले टेस्ट योरसेल्फ क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करने से पहले आई विल टेल यू वन important information. Mainly SN1 reactions doesn't participate in a allyl and as well as vinyl molecules. If a molecule is a vinyl, this type of molecules doesn't participate or doesn't undergo in a SN1 reaction. That's why remember this very important information. And you have to complete this test yourself questions. This is your kind information. आपको ये याद रखना पड़ेगा. This is also very important for competitive exam. Don't forget this and try to complete this